morning, children. Now let us do comparison of decimals. We know comparison of whole numbers. Let us learn comparison of decimal numbers. There are few steps involved in the comparison. Let us see one by one. Step 1 says the decimals are converted into like decimals. See here, for example, 4.712, 4.73. So what is done? 4.712 and 4.73. These are the two decimal numbers which we have to compare. Now first step says that we'll convert these decimal numbers into like decimal number. Do you remember how? By putting a 0. Now these two numbers are like decimal numbers. The whole number part is compared first. The number with greater whole number part is greater. So we'll compare the whole number part, means left hand side of the decimal, that is whole number. So we compare these two whole number parts. What are these? 4. So they are similar. So we'll proceed further. If the whole number part is same, then we move to the right hand side of the decimal number, first position. This first position is the tens position. So we'll compare this tens position. Now you can see your 7, your 7. So 10th position is also similar. So we'll move to next step, and that is hundredths position. What is that? 1 and 3. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So this 4.730 is greater than 4.712. Now we'll not move further. Already we got the difference here, so we'll not move further. No need of going further. Here we get the answer. So 4.73 is greater than 4.712. Now come to another example. Arrange 12.113, 12.114 and 21.311 in ascending order. We know ascending order, smaller to greater. Now let us write all these three numbers in a column, one after another, and make sure that the decimal point, you follow the decimal point. Decimal point of one number falls on the second number, then third number, like this. So 12.113, 12.114, 21.311. These are the three numbers. Now first step says make them like decimal. They are already like decimal with 3 decimal places. So no need of conversion. Now second step says compare the whole number part. So we'll compare these whole number part. See here 12, 12. So they are similar, but this is 21. So we know that 21 is greater than both the 12. So this is the greatest number. But we have to find out the smallest, ascending, starting from smallest. So a whole number is similar, so we'll move to the right hand side of the decimal number, that is the 10th position. That is 1 and 1. 10th position is also similar, so we'll move to the 100th position. 1 and 1. Again both are similar, so we'll move to the 1000th position. 3 and 4. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So our answer would be 12.113 smaller than 12.114, which is smaller than 21.311. No need of comparison of this third number because this is already greater with being 21 and they are 12. So 21 is greater than 12. So this is the comparison of decimals. With these 4 steps, we can find out the ascending and descending order and comparison of two decimal numbers. Thank you, children.